Today is a special day because it's a sea day on the Disney Magic. Get ready to dive into a day packed with fun as we explore all the amazing activities you can do on a sea day. From mastering the art of towel folding, cheering on babies racing, getting crafty, and testing your knowledge at trivia, we've got it all covered. Plus, today's extra sweet because it's Mickey Churro Waffle Day. We'll share tips and tricks, including where adults can get free pastries, and we'll be unleashing our inner artists at Animation Magic in Animator's Palate. Join us for a day of unforgettable Disney fun. Good morning! It's a sea day today. Rachel and I went for a walk around the ship, did the walking path. And then we went to the Cove Cafe, the adult area, and got some nice coffees. Beautiful weather this morning. We're gonna go up to Cabanas, and today they have Mickey Churro Waffles. They have that one day of the cruise, and today's the day, so I'm excited for that. We have some fun things planned for today. All right, let's go get some churro waffles. I've used these stars many times this trip. The stars always point to the bow. So you know, if you're going to the front of the ship, if you're facing the way the stars are pointing. The famous Mickey Churro Waffles. Rebecca goes for the normal ones. These are the gluten-free Mickey Churro Waffles. I think my gluten-free churro waffles look better than the regular ones. And it's delicious, freshly made, warm, soft, fluffy, really good. This is the princess meet and greet that you have to reserve. There's Belle, Tiana, Ariel, and Cinderella. We're doing Anyone Can Cook culinary series.
So all the restaurants have one chef, pastry chef. 3 restaurants, 3 pastry chef, and 1 baker chef in bakery. And baking.
He's showing how to make apple strudel, and they gave us samples of the apple strudel.
So bakery, they take care of all the breakfast product, lunch roll, dinner roll, all the breads.
Alright, well, we didn't stay. That wasn't very exciting.
He was like, and now we do this, and now we do that.
Yeah.
And it was like...
Yeah, I don't know why they picked him to be the presenter.
Maybe he's a very good pastry chef, but he's not good at entertaining.
Yeah, it was kind of boring. I was expecting it to be more entertaining and maybe even interactive. Like they might have a volunteer come up and help pour this thing in or something, because anyone can cook. As if you're gonna have a chance to try and cook it also.
At least you got a sample.
You just see them cook it.
Yeah. We're in the Soul Cat Lounge for some crafts.
This is one of our magical moments, okay? It's a family craft time.
We're making mini ice cream bar popsicles. Alright, here's our creations. We put magnets on our Mickey bars and attach them to our door. Which one do you like most?
Comment down below.
Let's see, that's Caitlin's, Daddy's, Mommy, Rebecca. We're here for the Jack Diaper Dash.
Hello everybody, welcome to the atrium. And I'm Jack Diaper Dash Baby Racing. 3, 2, 1, race those babies. Oh, I got that in the first lane. Finish strong. You can do it. Final baby race. 3, 2, 1. Race those babies. All right, guys. Show you all how it's done. Please make some noise for all our amazing babies.
We came up to the sports deck. They have basketball, a little soccer, foosball, ping pong. They have a flare system, a forward-looking infrared. Oh, I think there was a poop accident. They emptied the pool and cleaned it out. Oh, this pool got closed also. Doing some heavy-duty cleaning. It's not so great that the pool and the kids' pool are closed on a sea day.
Our only sea day too.
Yeah. Oh, they're refilling it with water. All right, next we're doing Disney Parks trivia in the Soul Cat Lounge.
What attraction did the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh ride replace in Walt Disney World? World showcase from Future World and proceed counterclockwise. Which pavilion will you reach first? Question number 8 reads, what was the name of Donald Duck's boat found at Toontown in Disneyland? In Disneyland, what does the telegraph in New Orleans Square train station actually spell out?
Alright, how'd we do?
Yeah.
Alright, those were tricky. Turns out that we did the worst on Disney Parks trivia of all the trivias. We only got 10 out of 20, but the winner only got 17 out of 20, so they were pretty difficult questions. Alright, we're back in Cabanas for lunch. Let's see what they have today. They have Indian food, samosa, naan, tikka salad, tandoori chicken, goat coconut shrimp curry, interesting, butter chicken, lamb, they have sticky date pudding for dessert. So special mac and cheese with ham, Gouda, and breadcrumbs. Or some gluten-free chicken strips and french fries. This is the hazelnut cake. Hazelnut, cupcake. This is towel folding.
So you're going to roll both ends together.
It's neat, they have all the housekeeping staff in here showing
And
towel folding.
Then you're going to place, this is ahead of. So when you're done rolling your towel, you're going to turn it over. Roll tight enough to hold in the dinosaur's head. So you should have it looking like this, maybe better than this.
Alright, Rebecca made a dinosaur. And it stands up on its own. Almost looks like an anteater. Alright, back at the pool deck for some soft serve ice cream. Rebecca got vanilla, but today their special flavor of the day is pineapple coconuts, which I am definitely gonna get. That is right up my alley. As soon as Rachel comes with the cups, because our special hack is to, other than Rebecca, use the cup so it doesn't drip all over the place. Here she comes with the cups. And Kaylin's special hack is to crumble cone on top. Another hack is to get cookies from Daisy's Delights. You know what they should have? They should have the coconut pineapple with the mango ice cream. That'd be good. They have so many DCL branded things. It's interesting to me that they use Walt Disney World cups and not their own DCL cups. We're in the Walt Disney Theater again for Dreams, an enchanted musical. What do you think of Disney Dream, an enchanted musical, or something like that?
Classic. Enchanting classic.
Disney Dream, an enchanted classic.
I thought it was pretty good, like how it includes all the stuff from different stories. But like, it's kind of a broad storyline. It's like, oh, it goes together, but it's more just all these movies like apart, unlike the actual story of something.
More of a hodgepodge of going with a light theme connecting them.
It's kind of like fireworks shows sometimes.
Yeah, that's a good analogy. Like the fireworks show, how it shows different clips from different movies and different songs, and it's just kind of loosely tied together.
But sometimes that could be more tied together, though.
Mm-hmm.
And this is more just like a tiny bit.
I thought it was okay. We saw it really recently. It was good though, but it wasn't like the best. The other two were better.
Okay.
Also, there was a family filming in the theater, and the Brazil trivia guy who's earning his ears came and talked to them and told them to stop.
Oh. I enjoyed it. Like Kaylin was saying, it was like kind of like a loose theme. They're showing different songs from different movies, and each song was nice. I thought the Lion King song was amazing. The group that was doing that, especially that woman, was incredible.
Overall, I'm not as big of a fan of the ones where it's like doesn't have a true story, but all the songs that they did pick are really good, fun songs. And then they have the pyrotechnics, and then just extra little special effects, which are really fun.
I'm always amazed by how much they put into the stage design and these props that pop up and go down and go sideways, move around, and big set pieces. Really incredible. I like the finale when all the characters came out and Mickey and Minnie came out and there were pyrotechnics. That was fun. And the projections against the wall were cool, and the bubbles and the snow. And the story was nice. Not amazing, but it was a fun show. I enjoyed it.
It's a good show. It's not the best, but it's definitely a good show.
But I do have to say the talent on the ship is really amazing. That really talented performers. We're back in Animators for our final dinner. Tonight is Animation Magic at Animator's Palate. We're supposed to draw our own character in this, and it's going to appear on the screen later. This is my attempt at Donald Duck. Rachel's drawing Orange Bird. The bread service with some sun-dried tomato dip and gluten-free bread. The server always remembers what drinks we like and brings those out right away. This is the white cheddar and broccolini soup with toasted baguette croutons. This is the crisp romaine wedge salad with feta cheese, Kalamata olives, tomatoes, cucumber, oregano, and a red wine vinegar dressing. This is the tomato caprese with buffalo mozzarella, Italian Roma tomatoes, and pickled basil drizzled with virgin olive oil. This is the dill and lemon marinated shrimp with potato and fresh pea salad. As we're eating, they're showing different movies or cartoons, and it's kind of cool because there's different images from those movies and cartoons around at the same time. So they'll show one scene, they'll have some artwork from the movie. So here's a scene from Ratatouille, and then they have some artwork from Ratatouille. This is the grilled garlic marinated shrimp with linguine pasta, roasted cherry tomatoes, artichokes, sautéed baby spinach, and a tomato basil provincial sauce. This is the chicken schnitzel, breaded chicken breast fried in butter, served with roasted bacon potatoes and buttered green beans. This is the roasted salmon steak with celeriac puree, buttered Savoy cabbage, crisp parsnip chips, and a truffle red wine juice. This is the chocolate decadence, just says for real chocolate lovers. The celebration cake, layers of cheesecake covered with strawberries embedded in rich vanilla cream. The very cherry chocolate sundae, vanilla ice cream topped with dark cherry compote, chocolate fudge sauce, and whipped cream. And then she brought me a second dessert, a special coffee mousse. Oh, this is mine? Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Thanks, everybody.
What do you think of Animation Magic?
Very fun and delightful. It's very fun to like draw your character and then see it in the screens after you eat dinner.
How would you compare that to the other show?
Well, this one's more interactive because you like make your own character. But the actual show of the first show that we saw was more fun to see.
So I thought it was pretty good. It's nice how like they don't just show yours only once. Like ours, mine, Rebecca's, and Molly's were shown twice, and Daddy's was shown 3 times.
The experience at Animators was really fun. You get to draw something and then it goes on the screen and gets animated. It's pretty cool technology. I like the original show the first night more. The whole phantasmic, the black and white to color kind of experience. But this was fun.
I enjoy the animation magic. I think it's fun because you get to do your own little character and watch it up on the screen. I enjoy the experience. It's unique because you only get them on the longer cruises because you have to go, everyone have to rotate twice through Animator. So it has to be more than a 5-night cruise.
How was your meal? Did you like the caprese salad?
I like the cheese. But the sauce was, ooh.
My appetizer, it was fine. It was like, it's weird because I think it was supposed to be like a Greek salad, but the dressing was not like a typical Greek dressing, so that part was a little off. And then I like wedge salads are a little annoying because I don't like having to cut my own lettuce, but I wanted the other stuff with it, the other like Greek ingredients.
The shrimp appetizer was really good with those peas and potatoes. I enjoyed it a lot.
I thought the soup was not so good. It was very broccoli tasting, so I was expecting a more like light broccoli taste, but it was actually kind of strong, so I don't really like it that much.
The main course, I've gotten that one before. I like it. It's just like a regular spaghetti with some grilled shrimp that tastes really good. I don't remember the artichokes in there last time, but I enjoy artichokes.
For the salmon, it was good salmon.
You ate the whole thing.
Yeah, I did. I ate the whole thing, every single bit of it, so it was delicious. The schnitzel?
I thought the chicken schnitzel was pretty good.
The sundae was really good. That coffee mousse was unusual, but it was nice. She gave me an extra coffee mousse.
The dessert actually was really good. I never got that one before. That was like the celebration cake, which is like a strawberry cheesecake with multiple like different layers. So it was good. I really enjoyed that. It was one of my favorite desserts.
How about your dessert?
Yummy. The dessert was good. It was very chocolatey.
All right, here's our towel animal, our final towel animal, a bear. Very cute. All right, we're back in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We sailed through a rainstorm last night, but the seas were pretty calm, just a little bit of rocking, not too bad. People are already getting off the ship, getting off early. We had an amazing 7-night Southern Caribbean cruise on the Disney Magic. If you have any questions about the cruise, or the itinerary, or the excursions, feel free to comment down below. We're gonna head down to Animator's for our breakfast. The last night, Rachel and I went to a late night adult comedy juggling act
With Marcus Monroe.
with Marcus Monroe. It was pretty good. We enjoyed it. Brought me some gluten-free pastries, like a chocolate muffin and donut. Yeah, she doesn't like syrup.
Yeah.
Isn't that interesting? All right, we are disembarking the Disney Magic.
So
it was
sad.
a great cruise.
We don't want to leave.
We're off to California. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can continue to come along with us on our adventures. If you'd like to see all the videos from this trip, you can click the playlist coming up on the left. We'll see you soon. How about your schnitzel?
The schnitzel, the schnitzel, the schnitzel,
Yeah.
the what?
Schnitzel.
The chicken schnitzel?
The schnitzel.
The schnitzel?
Yeah.
Schnitzel? I thought the chicken schnitzel was pretty.